Artificial intelligence and machine learning are revolutionizing the way we live, work, and interact with technology. Whether it's through personal assistants, recommendation systems, or autonomous devices, these fields are driving innovation at an unprecedented pace. But behind this AI revolution, there's one programming language that stands out: Python. Python has become the go-to language for developers working on machine learning and AI projects. But why is Python so popular for AI development? Let's dive in. First off, Python's simplicity and readability are unmatched. When you're building complex machine learning models, the last thing you want is to struggle with confusing code syntax. Python's easy-to-read code allows developers to focus more on solving problems rather than figuring out how to write code. In fact, one of the major reasons developers choose Python is its consistent, easy-to-understand syntax. This makes it not only great for individual developers, but also ideal for teams. Collaboration becomes smoother because everyone can easily understand each other's code. Then, there's the matter of Python's extensive libraries and frameworks. Libraries like TensorFlow, Keras, and Scikit-learn give developers access to pre-built tools, saving valuable time. Instead of writing code from scratch, you can leverage these libraries to build your models more efficiently. Another reason Python shines in AI is its platform independence. Whether you're working on macOS, Windows, or Linux, Python works seamlessly across these environments. You can develop on one machine and deploy on another without any major issues, making it perfect for collaborative or cross-platform projects. Python's flexibility also extends to the entire project lifecycle, from training to deployment and evaluation. Whether you're in the early stages of research or pushing a final product, Python has the tools and frameworks you need. And let's not forget Python's thriving community. Being open source, Python has one of the most active and supportive communities out there. Whenever you face a challenge, there's always a wealth of resources, forums, and developers ready to help. In short, Python's simplicity, vast libraries, platform independence, and community support make it the ideal choice for AI and machine learning projects. As we continue to push the boundaries of what AI can do, Python will remain at the heart of these advancements. So, whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting your journey into AI, Python is the key to unlocking the future. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.